Welcome. Today we're tackling a common design tweak in Popup Maker, moving the close button outside a pop-up. We often want the close button to be just outside or slightly overlapping the pop-up, instead of completely inside the upper right corner. Our goal is to move that close button so it's placed nicely outside or slightly overlapping the upper right corner of the pop-up. Typically, the close button starts inside the pop-up's upper right corner. Let's see how to change that. Our first instinct might be to look for a setting that directly addresses positioning the button outside the container. To start, head over to Popup Maker, then to Popup Themes, and edit the theme associated with your pop-up. Under the Close Button settings, you'll find Position Outside Container. Let's check that box and see what happens. After reloading the pop-up, you might find the button is positioned strangely. The Position Outside Container setting isn't actually what we need for this specific placement. The actual solution involves unchecking Position Outside Container and manually adjusting the position sliders. Go back into your theme settings, uncheck Position Outside Container, and update your theme. Now, focus on the top and right pixel settings. By using negative values here, you can push the close button outside the pop-up boundary. Let's look at a couple of examples to show exactly how these adjustments affect the button's position. For instance, setting top to -31 pixels and right to -31 pixels moves the close button ever so slightly outside the upper right corner. If you prefer a slight overlap, try -18 pixels for both top and right. This positions the button beautifully, slightly overlapping the corner. Remember, ignore Position Outside Container. Use the top and right negative pixel adjustments for precise close button placement outside your pop-up's upper corner.